In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign tasks in Zoho projects and assign tasks. To begin, make sure you are already signed in to Zoho projects and that you are looking at your main workspace. On the left side of the screen, you will see a sidebar with your available projects. Select the project you want to work in. This is important because tasks are always created inside a specific project, and choosing the correct one keeps your work organized and visible to the right people. After you open the project, look across the top navigation bar. Find and click the Tasks tab. This takes you to the task area for that project, where you can view existing tasks and create new ones. If your team uses many tasks, this page is also where you will see the list update as items are added and assigned. Next, go to the top right corner and click the Add Task button. A new task row or entry field will appear, ready for you to fill out. Start by typing the task name. Keep the name short and clear so the assignee understands the action at a glance. A good task name usually starts with a verb, like review, create, or update, followed by what needs to be worked on. Once the task name is entered, move to the owner field in the same task row. You will recognize it by the user icon. Click that owner icon to open the assignment options. A drop-down list will appear with the team members who can be assigned to this project. Select the correct team member from the list. Choosing the right owner ensures accountability and helps Zoho projects route the task correctly in each person's task list. Finally, click Add to create the task, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. At that point, the task is added to the project and assigned to the owner you selected. If you need to create multiple tasks, you can repeat the same flow and use Enter to move quickly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.